Supermom fam, and today I'm picking the kids up and we about to go to the park, the baby in the back, and I'm getting Jalen and Jayla from my mama's house right now, and then I gotta meet Brian at the house so we can go to the park. We were just supposed to go to the park and let the kids play, but he talking about he wanna barbecue the kids some hot dogs and some Polish sausages, so we're gonna try to get an area and do that if it's open. So that's what our day today is, going to the park. So I'll show you guys when we get there. Waiting on the kids now to come out of my mama's house and get in the car. The baby back there chilling. He's so big, y'all. He wearing a 3-month outfit. Up here go Jalen. You running?
I'm about to be shooting us.
Oh my god. Hi Jayla. Hi.
Outside.
Hi.
I'm about to be shooting up some.
Say hi. Oh, you cut your nose too? You dangerous.
Hey.
Did you have fun at Granny house?
Yes. This thing has a darn bullet in it.
Oh Lord, don't shoot nobody. Hey Jayla.
Yeah,
You ready to play on the playground?
No.
You don't want to play on the playground?
No.
It's fun.
I want to go to the water park.
A water park, Jalen. We gotta wait for that.
No, I still want to go to the water park.
Water parks. My skin look like that close up. Water parks. Well, here got some waters for y'all right now. Here y'all water for the park. Granny got it.
2 waters for a park?
She got 3 of them.
No, she got 2.
1, 2, 3. You gonna say she got 2 of them. Here.
2.
Grab one.
You grab one.
I already got one.
Okay.
Jayla want a Wawa. Here.
Thirsty. Did you want to
No, it's okay. I put some in the freezer too. We still gotta go back by the house.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna ride over the animals and then I might ride out there.
Okay, say bye. Hey.
Yeah, I called her here yesterday, but she wouldn't let me touch it today. She was out.
She gotta get her hair done anyway. I get it.
And she got that pull-up on.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, that little one you said? Okay, I'm gonna change her. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna change her. Bye. Jayla, you gotta get changed. Yes, please. Okay.
No, please.
So I'll check back with y'all when we get to the park. Say bye.
Bye.
So we made it to the park and Brian is setting up our little chairs. It is so nice out here. It's windy. The baby is chilling in his thing. Pull this back on. Oh Lord, I got the cover on. Oh shoot. It's so windy out here. Supposed to be barbecuing, but the barbecue thing's back there. We right here. We go Daddy Towns. And the baby. I'm like, what the hell? Where we at? We don't know where we at. We at the park. Kids all over there. Uh-oh. Jalen over there at the park. Jalen going up the side. There's a lot of kids out here today. It's nice. Dang, look at that sand just blowing. Other than over there. She's mad at me. I know it's gonna take that long. We're trying to figure out an area where we're gonna barbecue at. So we gotta, who? Right there on the side, cause I remember coming here for my friend's open house. Right over there on the side, that big one. Well, it's a big one right there on the side where that look like a big grilling area. It's right there. Other than that, it's in the back behind us. Some grill. You see, they got a little basketball hoop. It don't matter. I'm about to say, when they get done, they want to walk, then that's when we can just go sit somewhere. Unless you're starving now, baby. You hungry now? You are? Where you at? You see him? My camera keep trying to fall off this thing. It's windy. Look at my baby. That fresh air feel good though, don't it, man? Milk mouth. Milk mouth, little man. Let me unbuckle you. Got milk all around your mouth. You throwing down, man. Yeah. Oh, I see Jayla. She going back up the side. I know, I'm glad she got on hot pink. Ain't nothing wrong with you, man. Here you go. Here you go. Y'all want that? A little fat butt. Y'all, this is a 3-month outfit and he can fit it. Yeah, you want your tea? Nope, I put it in the front. Hold on. Okay, that was my baby calling. See it over here? Ooh, it's probably under your thing. Yeah. Ooh. Jaden. Jaden. You want to break free? Let me lay him down. Burr go by himself. He finally got a girl spot. So we good. He making side dogs. Daddy gonna cook? Wait, oh, it's remember we didn't do it the long way. Oh, you got it. It's windy though. That's the only reason. Hey, hold on, wait for Daddy. What'd I say? Daddy. I say whatever you got to trash, I'll go away. You know if you need more of these ones cheap. I'll give you 2 of them. Hold on, baby. Another one. You throw all your rocks? Nah. Where yours at? Well, what you put in your mouth? Spit it out. Ain't no dandelions. But that was last one. The box is gone. I knew he was gonna need it. Fire. Got Chef Beezy. Big Daddy B. Jayla, get from over there. Get over here. Danger. Ooh, she dangerous, y'all. Go ahead. I told him we can go. Go ahead. Jalen is acting very scary. Stop acting so scary. Jayla. So we got Polish sausages and some hot dogs in the bag, y'all. Unplanned, just said we're going to the park, might as well. And we got the little, what is this? Oh, you got honey barbecue sauce? Where is the barbecue sauce? That's what I want. Look at your daughter, she want to eat something. You got a, you get any plates? Paper towel? What'd you get for them to eat it on? When you let Daddy do it. They gonna be eating them on bags, y'all. I had a whole pack of plates in there. This is so unorganized. Should have went to Dollar Tree before we left. But unorganized is the best way to have a barbecue because we ain't playing for nothing. Next time we come back, we're gonna be ready, ain't that right? We're getting that big area over there, okay? We're gonna come back here. Like here. We should invite everybody out here and do it. It's will be better. Shoot, then we less mess to clean. Everybody can leave from here and go home. We're gonna have us a barbecue though, for real. Family barbecue. All the kids and family and barbecue and have a good time. Hopefully by then the water park slide area over here is open. Dang, is it hot? Eat it. Eat it, it's good. You was hungry? She was hungry. Jalen acting scary. Did you go down there and throw him?
Yes.
Why are you looking like that? It's going down now, babe. Did you get a knife or something? Oh, I didn't know if you want to cut them.
I managed to do a skip.
Well, I can't wait.
When I was down there, I managed to do a skip.
Oh, like Brian do with the rocks?
Yes, I managed to do a skip.
Skip rock.
I managed to do.
You can sit on one of them chairs if you want. You hear me? You can keep going throwing them. I don't care. You can go down there as much as you want. Jalen bigger, so he can go back and forth as much as he want and play. J-Lo, on the other hand, that little girl dang. She just throwing balls at these kids on the court. She's dangerous. She don't give a damn. She hungry. That's yours anyway. Well, it don't matter. I just want a hot dog. Uh-oh. You should put the polo soldiers on first. It's gonna take the longest. So we can sit here and relax with the kids, you guys. It's so nice, y'all. I love getting out in beautiful weather. Take my shades off. Put my lashes back on today. My baby chilling, got his bottle. He eating it right now. He's getting so big, y'all. He is 7 weeks already, going on 8 weeks this week. We trying to find us a family vacation spot. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. Jalen be always bossing Jalen around. Huh? Yeah, give me a kiss. I miss you. Come here. We both forgot to put our earrings on, me and Jayla. That's why I went home to get my earrings. I still forgot them. Come here, Jayla. Give me a kiss. Whoa, be careful. You do not know how to hug. He is a boo boy. You hug regular.
I do know how to hug. She's lying.
Come here, Jayla. See, why Jayla know how to give a hug and a kiss. Hey. Leave it alone. Say Jayla. Say Jayla. So I'll be back after we get the. Oh, Brian, put the hot dogs on. I didn't even get that. He done threw the hot dogs on. Oh, Lord, everything's fine. Hold on. Oh, you got the dogs, though. Sit that on there, babe. Here, Jay, want to record the hot dogs? Here. It's already recorded. Go there and record.
Oh my God, my legs hit it.
Okay, so Jaden was not having that. He was like, get me up out of here. I'm ready to see what's going on. Let's take your bib off, man. Y'all, he hold his head up by himself. This little boy is nosy. Look, son. He like, whoa, wind blowing a little bit. He like, what the hell? Let me turn you back around. He don't like that wind blowing. Ain't wind blowing in my thing, mommy. He got a little hood anyway. Let me put your hood. He the cute. Jayla is over here smashing potato chips. Jayla. Girl, you cannot eat up all the chips. Get it. Get it. Yeah, eat them. Be careful. Bite. Bite. Dangerous. Uncle Brian, he done dished us for a kid game. He supposed to be making hot dogs, y'all. Yeah. Look, after he done 10 dirty fingers, there he go. He over here making hot dogs and playing basketball. Kind of daddy. Is it hot enough? What went down there? Pole sausage?
Yeah.
Here.
You got some water?
Yeah. Brian Dangerous. Water right there at the bottom. You done poured it on the fire. You done poured it on the fire.
It'll be alright. I'm not gonna blame my people.
You must have drink that, throw it away.
I'm not scared by the park, but at first I was scared, but now I'm not.
Scared by the park. What you mean?
If I'm at the park, I was scared.
I'm over there.
Yeah, first one I was scared, but now I'm not.
You're not. Jayla eating. You can go throw some rocks down there if you want. You can go skip the rocks across the lake. We gotta wait for Brian to finish his game. So then he can finish these hot dogs so we can eat and then take the kids walking around. There's a lot of people out here today.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know. I thought Jayla clicked that. Where'd my drink go? Oh, I thought it fell.
That's a freaking.
They go to geese about to get in the water. Look. They up there in the sky. You see them? They about to land in the water. See? There they go. They about to drop down in the water. You see? Look, he's so amazed to see him fall in the water. My little man. Jayla? Can't get that close. What? Come on, up here. Back up. Come on, y'all.
Brian's still over there at the game. Oh my god.
My little baby right here. He don't care what's going on. Jayla, come here with your bag of ruffles. Come on, let's walk. on, we're going back this way. So wait, watch them over here. All done. We had to put the hot dogs on a plastic bag because we forgot the plates. We forgot the napkins. Look, we got some little tongs. The baby ain't having it. I think he fed up for the day, y'all. Want to put some ketchup on your binky? Is your hot dog? Barbecue sauce on that boy. You got hers? He said he eating both of them. You know he want like 2 or 3.
Oh God, that's a dog spider.
Oh, it's okay, it's gone.
No, it's right down there.
Jalen, didn't I tell you about saying that? Watch out, move. Now it's gone.
I was about to crush you with my dog.
Come here, Jalen. Here, come sit down with your hot dog. Yeah, I'm gonna get a polo sausage with some barbecue sauce. Here, hold on, it's hot. Give it here. I don't know why your daddy handed you that. Like, it ain't hot. Here, Jay, scoot over and sit down. Let her get up here. You know it's gonna be spiders all over this area. We outside. There you go. Eat your hot dog. Nuh-uh, Jayla, this one right here. Grab your hot dog. Got it? Bite. Good job. Hold on, son. You got a hot dog? I'm about to cry. So we came back over this way and the baby is asleep. Look at my baby. There's something on my... Hell no, look at that. Oh, fuck no, I'm getting from fucking under this tree. Fuck this. I got to move. Another bug hit me on my face and I'm leaving. Hey, Supermom fam. I forgot to record once we left the park, so we had a great day at the park. The kids got to play at the playground. We got to eat hot dogs and polo sausages. They got to throw rocks in the lake. And they just had a good day today, the kids. So I just got the baby in his pajamas and in the bed. Jayla in the bath now. Jaylen and Brian in there doing Mortal Kombat moves on each other. And then me, I'm relaxing outside. I got Bella. Say hey, Bella. Say hey, Bella. So it's just me and Bella out here. Who just feel good out here. I take my shirt off. I was hot as heck after being at that park. So when all the kids about to get them in their pajamas and we get them down, and then me and Brian about to relax and watch One More Chance. I bought the Zeus little subscription and we've been watching those shows on there. They are actually hilarious because it's so staged and so crazy. But we had a great day, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Love you guys. See you in the next video.